Want to capture your sports activities and travels with a reliable and high-performance GoPro? In this video, we present models offering outstanding video quality, exceptional durability, and advanced features. All product links are available in the description below. When choosing the right model, it's important to consider image quality, shooting modes, and weather resistance. A great GoPro makes it easy to capture unforgettable moments. We've selected the 3 best GoPro cameras on the market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech and action camera comparisons. Here are the 3 best GoPro cameras, from the most affordable to the most advanced. First, the GoPro HERO is designed for users who want to discover the world of action cameras with a simple, compact, and user-friendly device. Its lightweight design makes it easy to take anywhere, whether for vacations, outdoor adventures, hiking trips, sporting activities, or family outings. Despite its small size, it records stunning 4-kilopixel video with impressive detail for sharing on social media or preserving travel memories. Its touchscreen interface provides quick access to shooting modes, while its waterproof construction, rated for depths of up to 5 meters, allows worry-free use around water. Built-in image stabilization delivers smoother footage and enhances overall video quality. Thanks to its intuitive operation and compact dimensions, it is an excellent choice for users seeking a durable and versatile camera capable of capturing both everyday moments and exciting outdoor adventures. Next, the GoPro HERO 13 Black was developed for content creators, athletes, and travelers who demand exceptional image quality in an extremely rugged package. Its 27-megapixel sensor captures highly detailed photos, while 5.3-kilopixel video recording delivers outstanding image clarity. Hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization combined with horizon lock keeps footage incredibly smooth even during intense action. Integrated Wi-Fi 6 enables faster transfers to mobile devices, while 10-bit HDR recording provides richer colors and greater dynamic range. The new HB series lenses significantly expand creative possibilities, whether shooting ultra-wide landscapes, macro details, or cinematic footage. Its next-generation Enduro battery improves battery life, and its waterproof construction to depths of 10 meters makes it suitable for a wide variety of environments. Altogether, this premium action camera offers remarkable versatility for demanding users seeking professional-level performance. Finally, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro was created for content creators looking for image quality that surpasses traditional action cameras while maintaining a compact and rugged form factor. Its large 1-inch sensor dramatically improves detail reproduction, dynamic range, and low light performance. 8-kilopixel video recording delivers exceptionally detailed footage while offering greater flexibility for cropping during editing. Support for 50-megapixel RAW photos will also appeal to photographers who require extensive post-processing capabilities. Powered by the GP3 processor and featuring advanced audio performance along with high frame rate recording, it is equally suited for action sports and more ambitious productions. Its durable waterproof housing allows reliable operation in demanding conditions, while its outstanding video capabilities make it closer to a versatile content creation camera than a conventional action camera. It is therefore an especially compelling choice for modern videographers seeking a compact yet highly capable device. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.